A Florida dog owner didn't think twice when he rushed into the water to save his 3-month-old puppy from an alligator's grip. Now, a warning, some of you may find the dramatic encounter disturbing. You can see here retiree Richard Wilbanks wrestling with the gator to free his pet. This is remarkable. Wilbanks pried open the gator's mouth to save his dog Gunner. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is now doing just fine.
I was able to save Gunner's life. He had one little puncture wound. My hands were just chewed up.
Unreal. Wilbanks calls the rescue a learning experience, and he is keeping his pet firmly on a leash.